Today we have done started rational numbers and did 5 types of questions, right? Good morning. And yesterday we did 5 types of questions in rational numbers. Yes or no? Yes. Was there any difficulty in understanding or doing any of the question given yesterday? Please tell. First I will be discussing those and then we will be moving for today's part. Any difficulty in doing those type of questions? Anyone? Any query or any method, कुछ ऐसा method जो समझ में नहीं आया है, कुछ ऐसा step जो समझ में नहीं आया हो, पूछ लो. मैं दोबारा नहीं बताऊंगी. पूछ लो कोई ऐसा स्टेप या कुछ जो नहीं समझ में आया, मैम इसमें ऐसा क्यों किया है, ऐसा कोई था 1 से 5 के बीच में? 1 से 5 के बीच में, within 1 to 5, any question was there which you have not understood the base concept behind it? Okay, so my class is good and smart enough, so I am not taking so headache. And now moving with, today we will be doing the rest of the questions that is in exercise 1.1 from 6 to 10, either in homework or in discussion. Understood? Either in homework or in discussion, but we will be completing exercise 1.1 today. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
At a minimum yes or no बोल दिया करो ताकि पता तो चले सुनाई पड़ रहा है. You can hear me. I am audible enough. Okay? Minimum yes or no you can say so that I can feel that I am audible enough. Okay? So let's start. First, do the screen sharing so that you are confirm me. You can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can't see your screen.
Just when others can see, then means there is a technical problem from your side. So if any of the cameras are open, please switch off the cameras. I have switched off mine. Please you too also. Okay, now let's see. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, rational numbers chapter 1, and today we will be learning the next. We have done addition and subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will be dealing with multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication. So, multiplication is what? When there are two rational numbers PQ and RS. Yes or no? And when we will multiply, see, we are directly multiplying the numerators and denominators. So what happens? PR upon QS. What happens is rational number. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's take an example. I have taken PQ equals to 5 by 8 and RS equal to 7 by 9. Okay. So our formula is P by Q multiplied by R by S, right? Have I written it correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do? We will cross multiply or numerator multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. What we have to do?
Multiply the numerators
and denominators.
So what will be the answer then?
35 upon 72.
35 upon 72.
Ma'am, 35 upon 72.
Is it in its lowest form? Is it in its lowest form?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So you have understood the concept of multiplication. Let's see the basic concept of division. Just the difference. In division, what we do, suppose two rational numbers RS is divided by PQ. What we are doing, we are keeping the first number as it is. You can see first rational number is kept, but whatever is with the help of which whatever we are, the divisor, we are reciprocating it. What we are doing it? We are. So what happens? P by Q, and then On reciprocation, what happens? The division sign changes to multiplication sign. What happens? The division
Ma'am, the
sign.
division sign changes to multiplication sign.
What happens? R by S is multiplied by Q by P. And then the same process of multiplication which we did now. उसके बाद वही मल्टीप्लिकेशन का प्रोसेस करते हैं जो अभी हमने किया था. इतना कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see an example. See here I have taken R by S equals to minus 15 by 28 and P by Q equals to 25 by 42. Okay? So means what? If I have to divide, it will be minus 15 by 28 divided by 25 by 42. Yes or no? If I have to write it in the form of division?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? This division sign will change to multiplication and this 25 by 42 will become 42 upon 25. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
what
ma'am.
we have to do? Now what we have to do? Yes, now what we have to do? What should be my next step?
Ma'am, we should reduce the numbers.
If it is reducible, then we will reduce. If it is not, then we will directly multiply the numerator with the and multiply the denominators and get the result. Okay. So on if you the final answer is minus 9 by 10. Is it matching yours? Is it matching yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this was the basic concept of multiplication and division. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Let's see
ma'am.
the next type of question given in your book. That is, you have to find, there are some equivalent values given and you have to find the missing values. You can see these are equivalent. The equal to sign shows only that these numbers are equivalent. These three sets of rational numbers are equivalent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to find the missing values. So just for our convenience, we are taking algebraic values x and y for our convenience. So what we will do, we will take two rational numbers at a time in which one will be known and other will be unknown. मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So I am taking minus 5 by 12 first and that is equal to x by 60. And now what we will do? We will be cross multiplying it. And on cross multiplying it, what we will get? 12x minus 300 or not? If I am wrong, please tell me.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is correct.
So then how much will be x?
Now हमको जोड़ना है.
X will, huh? X will be equal to how much?
Ma'am, minus 25.
Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for y, again we will repeat the same method. But ये तो हम नहीं ले सकते. We will be again taking the known with the unknown. So known rational number with the unknown, right? What will be the next step?
Ma'am, cross multiply.
So what will be the
Cross
equation?
multiply.
What will be the equation? What will be the equation? Come on.
Cross multiply.
हाँ तो equation क्या
Minus
बनेगी?
5.
Minus
Minus 5 into y equals to 35 into 12.
So अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, algebra में 5 into y बोलते हैं कि 5 by बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, 5 है.
Ma'am, 5y.
हाँ तो you should know how to read the numbers or not?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. अलजेब्रा में कौन सा साइन नहीं दिखता? अलजेब्रा में साइन होता है लेकिन दिखता नहीं, कौन सा साइन ऐसा है? Come on, which sign is never visited properly and it is present in the equation?
हाँ करें
हाँ?
मैम प्लस।
प्लस तो दिखता है, प्लस तो दिखता है। ऑपरेटर्स की बात कर रही हूँ।
मैम
वो sign
मैम
मैम
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
मल्टीप्लिकेट।
multiply. I am talking about operators, not talking about the coefficient signs. प्लस माइनस की कोफिशिएंट साइन की बात नहीं कर रही थी मैं, ऑपरेटर्स की बात कर रही थी। ऑपरेटर्स में कौन सा नहीं दिखता? मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन, बट वो होता है। मेरी बात समझ में आई? तो उसको पढ़ना भी उसी तरीके से पड़ेगा ना अलजेब्रिक में। ओके, सो इट विल बी -5y equals to 12 multiplied by 35 is 420 and then y equals to -84. So after getting the values, we will be substituting it in the main equation. So our main equation becomes what? -5 by 12 equals to -25 by 60 equals to 35 by -84. Any confusion?
नो मैम।
नो
नो
मैम।
मैम
No, ma'am.
Oh. Achha. Can we move to the next type of question?
यस मैम
यस मैम।
Yes.
Yes. Let's see the next type of question. We have to check the following given is equivalent or not. So for this very easy step, let's write the numbers first. Take the numbers, that is -8 by 13 and 64 by -104. Remember, I have taught you two methods. Either you can, what were the two methods for finding out equivalent? दो मेथड थे, कौन सा था इक्विवेलेंट फाइंड करने का? जल्दी बताओ, किसको याद है, जरा सुने।
मैम convert both of them into their standard form.
और सेकंड मेथड?
And मैम then compare them.
Then compare the standard form and then compare them was the first method. And next second method क्या था? सबसे आसान वाला,
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन
cross multiply them. And if the result of both the LHS and RHS are same, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा? एक LHS साइड में चले जाएगा, एक RHS साइड में चला जाएगा, राइट? और LHS और RHS का जब प्रोडक्ट का सेम हो गया, then what happens? They are equivalent. Understood? And if it does not match, then they are not equivalent. Am I clear?
यस मैम
Yes मैम।
देखो reduction आसान, lowest form में is using a reduction method is little bit lengthy because you should be very swift in your tables, right or wrong? Yes or no? You should be swift in your
Yes.
tables or not? But in case of cross multiplication, the result is in front of you. You know which two numbers to multiply and you will get the result fast. So let's see. But both the method totally depends on you, whichever you want to use. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to use the same method. That's why I've always taught you two methods, right? Yes or no?
यस
So let's
मैम
So I am
Yes,
using the
ma'am.
cross multiplication method. So see, I am multiplying -8 by -4 and on the other side 13 by 64. There are two, don't write one below the other. There are two separate equations. One is on the LHS side and one is on the RHS side. एक के नीचे एक लिखोगे तो 0 मिलेगा। मेरी बात समझ में आई या नहीं?
यस मैम
एक के नीचे एक लिखोगे तो लगेगा ये न्यूमरेटर है और ये क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर है. So you have to write separately, one on LHS side and other on the RHS side. Am I clear?
यस मैम
Am I clear?
Yes ma'am।
Crystal clear?
यस मैम
Crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the product of -8 into 104? How much is -8 into -104? -8 into -104 कितना होता है?
830
8,000.
Ma'am,
832.
Am I correct? And what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the result of 13 into 64?
800.
Ma'am, 832.
Ma'am, 832.
So the LHS is equal to RHS. That means what? Minus 8 by 13 is equivalent. They are equivalent, and 64 by minus 104 are equivalent rational numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do the rest of the parts by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So first note down your homework and then go through from question 6 to question 10. Whichever you want a further discussion, we will go do it. Noted the homework? Mark the homework in your book? Marked? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to see from your side for your queries. From 6 to 10, go through all the questions, and whichever question you want to ask, you can. Just go through, and if you want a solution of working for that question, you can ask. Yes, I am waiting. Just go through all the question from question 6 to 10. और ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन लगे जिसे मैम हम कर नहीं पाएंगे, कैसे करना है, I will be dealing with that. Telling you just now. Come on. I'm waiting. Have you completed your previous exercise in your classwork copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the theoretical portion which I have given, have you noted it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to note each and everything from, I have given you as a written note also. From whenever a PDF is given, you have to note each and everything in your classwork copy. And the solutions for questions which I am giving you is for cross-checking, not for copying. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes.
you do not bother your parents. मम्मी ये कैसे होगा या पापा ये कैसे solve होगा? If I am giving you the solution so that you do not bother your parents, not for cheating. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please ask whichever question you want to ask. Please, fast. You can ask from previous part also, from 1 to 20, 1 to 10, any question from examples anywhere. There are 26 students and no queries from your side. Am I teaching very well or I am not able to teach you? What's the scene? What's the scene here? मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रही हूँ
Very well.
या फिर मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं पा रही हूँ? कौन सा बात है?
Ma'am, you are teaching very well.
Very well. That will show your mark.
Yes, ma'am.
I think so. The two things will be possible. One thing, either the one thing is possible that either I am not able to teach you, or either you are not. I'm teaching very well. So there's no query. Acha. Okay, let's get
No,
to
ma'am.
no queries. So let me query. One query is from my side. Please clarify me. Did you remember the properties of integers? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in tomorrow's lecture, because you know rational numbers is a combination of integers, right or wrong?
Yes,
Rational
ma'am.
numbers
Yes, ma'am.
is a combination of integers in numerator and denominator, right? So we will be using all the properties, or and cross checking in rational numbers. मतलब बात समझ में आई? We will be using the properties of integers in rational numbers and cross checking them. So please, if you have forgotten the basic properties, please once go through. You have to deal with question 6 to 10 in your classwork copies and just revise the properties which you have learned in previous class. Will you be able to do this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, अगर रिवाइज कर लोगे तो जल्दी समझ में आएगा, जल्दी होगा, है ना? एक बार रिवाइज कर लोगे तो रिलेट करने में आसानी नहीं हो जाएगी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please go through them. Okay? So shall I end my class now, or wait for any queries from your side or anything you have to ask? Yes, please. I'm waiting. So thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.